Mayday! Mayday! We're sinking! And Patrick won't stop screaming!
Those stomach acid levels are way too high!
The reserve tanks are almost empty! Patrick!
Finished!
SpongeBob, you gotta get out of there! It's a straight shot up the stomach to the esophagus where the reed is. You can complete your mission if we could just access an alternative fuel, like natural gas.
Natural gas?
Like this!
Stop burping inside me! That's disgusting!
Wait a minute, Squidward. They might be onto something.
What?
If you could make a big enough burp,
We could filter the CO2 through our ballast tanks, refire the engines, and ride the shockwave out of here.
Wow.
he's right.
What?
We're going through with your plan, Patrick.
Yay!
What plan?
Now burp, Squidward. Lives are on the line.
I never thought it would end this way.